Fantom is a decentralized, permissionless, open-source smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets. One of many blockchain networks built to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom blockchain mainnet went live in December 2019, and its network architecture intends to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. Like other Ethereum alternatives, Fantom intends to provide more scalability and lower costs than the legendary first mover smart contract platform is able to provide in its Ethereum 1.0 iteration. Fantom's infrastructure is tied together through its asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, or ABFT, proof of stake POS consensus mechanism, which maintains the operational efficiency of the entire network. The ABFT network structure is designed to preserve network security while maximizing speed. Fantom operates atop a bespoke, leaderless POS consensus mechanism dubbed Lachesis. It secures the Fantom network and ensures both transactional speed and security. Lachesis is an ABFT consensus mechanism, which means that network data can be processed at different times, and the network can tolerate up to 1/3 of participants engaging in faulty or malicious behavior without causing undue harm to network processes. Lachesis also boasts near instant finality. That means that transactions are confirmed and finalized in an average of 1 second, without the need to wait for laborious block confirmation as experienced in proof-of-work POW networks. By avoiding the relatively lengthy block confirmation process, this ABFT system is much faster and more scalable than many of its Byzantine fault-tolerant BFT counterparts. Diving deeper into how Fantom's Lachesis functions, we see how each network node contains its own directed acyclic graph, which records the chronology of event blocks and respective transactions. With each node achieving internal consensus independently, confirmed batches of event blocks are then compiled into finalized blocks that are confirmed on the wider Fantom network. Finalized blocks, which form the base layer Fantom blockchain, are composed of confirmed event blocks from the independent nodes. While independent Fantom nodes will occasionally communicate with one another about transactions and events, they do not confirm finalized blocks or the overall state of the network. This architecture results in a system that processes transactions quickly and achieves finality within seconds. Fantom stresses that its POS mechanism is leaderless, which means there are no block leaders and no participants have a special role in its operation. Anyone can join or leave the node network at any point, and all nodes hold equal weight in the consensus protocol. The Lachesis consensus apparatus servers power Fantom's mainnet deployment platform, Opera, which hosts the apps operating on the network. Opera is a permissionless and open-source environment for development. It boasts the full range of smart contract capability that Ethereum has due to its support of the Solidity programming language and integration with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Applications built on Fantom can be designed to be interoperable with platforms built on Ethereum, while still maintaining the transactional efficiency of the Fantom network. A proprietary software development kit, SDK, known as the Fantom Virtual Machine, will eventually be released for native Fantom-based development alongside continued support for the EVM, a strategy meant to entice Ethereum-based DApp developers to make an easy transition over to building applications on Fantom. Fantom's native utility token, FTM, powers the entire Fantom blockchain ecosystem. FTM tokens are used for staking, governance, payments, and fees on the network. FTM is available as a native mainnet coin, an ERC20 token in the Ethereum ecosystem, and a BEP2 token in the Binance ecosystem. Fantom provides a fairly dynamic and lucrative staking structure for users. Users can stake their FTM at will with a validator node for a 4% annual percentage yield, or APY, staking reward at the time of making this video, which is a common staking model. However, users can also take advantage of Fantom's fluid rewards by choosing to lock up FTM for a predetermined period of time, ranging from 2 weeks up to a year, to secure higher reward rates up to 12% API. Fantom also employs a feature called liquid staking, whereby stakers can mint SFTM at a 1-to-1 ratio to their staked FTM to be used as collateral in Fantom Finance, which is a suite of DeFi apps provided by Fantom, thus allowing users to get more use out of their staked FTM. Some of the DeFi offerings that Fantom provides include FUSD, a Fantom-based stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar. FSwap, a synthetic asset decentralized trading platform. FLend, a liquidity pool from which users can lend or borrow. Fantom's approach to the DeFi and DApp landscape is innovative, as it is staking reward program structure. Further proposed use cases for Fantom's highly scalable smart contract platform are DApps related to supply chain management, payments, and smart city programs, some of which are already being piloted around the world. As the first of its kind with its complex and unique infrastructure, Fantom's approach to fast, scalable DApp development is still establishing its place in the wider blockchain ecosystem. Although there is already much competition in the burgeoning DApp sector, the speed and interoperability benefits that Fantom offers DApp developers are notable, and the platform is poised to gain further traction. While the entire crypto market was on a hot streak to end this summer, Fantom FTM stood out as one of the big winners. Its price shot up for the entire month of August, and it reached an all-time high of $1.93 on September 9th, 2021. It has cooled off since then, but for those who believed in Fantom, this dip could be a good buying opportunity. The excitement around Fantom comes largely from its potential to be a better version of Ethereum ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency. If Fantom is a crypto you're thinking of adding to your portfolio, this video will cover what you need to know about it. Here are 5 important things to know about Fantom. Number 1. It's a blockchain platform with smart contract capabilities. To start, it's important to have a grasp of what Fantom does. Fantom is a blockchain platform capable of running smart contracts. These programs allow blockchains to run more advanced transactions than simply sending cryptocurrency from one person to another. There are a couple very popular uses for smart contracts right now. They're instrumental in decentralized finance, DeFi, which are financial services that don't require a central governing body. Through smart contracts, developers can create decentralized apps or DApps that power DeFi platforms. They're used for establishing the ownership of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These are digital collectibles that can be traded, bought, and sold. Ethereum was the first cryptocurrency to offer smart contracts, and it's the platform where most DApps are built. However, it has been having congestion issues, resulting in outages and high transaction fees. Because of that, several alternatives have been developed, offering faster transaction processing at a lower cost. 2. It's available on several large cryptocurrency exchanges. Many types of cryptocurrency, especially smaller cryptos, are difficult to buy. Fortunately, that isn't the case with Fantom. You can buy it on several of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, including Gemini, FTX, and Binance. In addition, Fantom is available on many decentralized crypto exchanges. This type of exchange offers peer-to-peer crypto trading without a middleman facilitating transactions. Decentralized exchanges that offer Fantom include Uniswap and SushiSwap. 3. Transactions on Fantom are inexpensive and nearly instant. One of the main draws of Fantom is its efficient transaction processing. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, and transactions are settled within 1 or 2 seconds. Transaction fees are typically a fraction of a cent. In May, it was reported that Fantom had crossed 3 million transactions and was the fastest blockchain platform. Fantom isn't the only cryptocurrency offering these kinds of speeds, and it may not be the fastest blockchain platform anymore. Solana, SOL, can reportedly handle at least 50,000 transactions per second and also charges a fraction of a cent in fees. Even so, Fantom's performance is very impressive. 4. Uses for the Fantom token include staking, governance, network fees, and payments. The Fantom token is the platform's native cryptocurrency. Here's what it's used for. Staking. Fantom uses a proof-of-stake model. Transactions are verified by nodes made up of people's Fantom tokens, and by staking crypto this way, you help secure the network and earn rewards. Then there's governance. Since Fantom is decentralized, token holders make decisions regarding its future. By holding and staking Fantom, you can propose and vote on changes. Network fees. Fees on the Fantom network are paid using its cryptocurrency. These fees are charged on transactions, deploying smart contracts, and creating new networks. And there's payments. With its fast transaction speeds and low fees, Fantom is a convenient way to transfer funds to other parties. Number 5. It has strong competition in Ethereum and other smart contract platforms. Perhaps the hardest challenge for Fantom going forward is stiff competition. There are plenty of alternatives to Ethereum. Cardano ADA is the biggest, and has seen major growth of its own this year. The aforementioned Solana is another growing platform offering lightning-fast transactions. And there's also Ethereum itself, which is going through a series of upgrades to Ethereum 2.0, and during these upgrades, it will transition to a proof-of-stake model like Fantom has. These upgrades should improve transaction speeds and lower fees. Given its transaction speeds and the advanced smart contract platform it offers, Fantom could be a solid cryptocurrency investment. The price has dipped since its all-time high and still has a much smaller market cap than some of its main competitors. There could still conceivably be plenty of room for it to keep growing. On the other hand, it's hard to say which, if any, of these platforms will have the most long-term success. Make sure you carefully consider Fantom and the alternatives before deciding where to put your money.